First day nerves are par for the course for students, but today it was parents who were feeling more anxious than usual.
It's good, but we're just a bit worried with the virus around, and so we're not sure.
That's just a prevention. Hopefully it's clean. Nothing's going to happen.
Very concerned. My nieces and nephews aren't attending school the whole week. You probably can get the virus and you don't even know. So we're going to leave them at home until things get sorted at school.
16 cases of suspected coronavirus are being investigated in New South Wales, including a child as young as 2. 4 confirmed cases are being treated in Sydney hospitals.
The advice we've given is if your family has been to China in the last few weeks, we recommend children stay home until they've passed the incubation period, which is 14 days, just to ensure that everybody feels safe.
That differs from the Federal Health Department's advice, which recommends that only those who've been in China's Hubei province should stay isolated at home.
We know that there is contradictory information coming from the state government and coming from the federal government, and that is just causing utter confusion amongst parents. Parents who in some cases don't have English as a first language.
We appreciated the feedback from communities and from families, and we've responded to that, and we think it's important that parents feel it's safe to send their kids to school.
The government's advice to stay away was a request rather than an order, and for some it came too late, long after the school day had already started. There's no way of knowing whether affected families have complied, and it'll be days before the Education Department determines whether attendance levels are down.
We'll have a look at the numbers in terms of attendance and what those impacts are over the coming days, but we know that families are listening to the advice and we really appreciate that that's the case.
A real-life lesson in the midst of a global health crisis. Lily Mayers, ABC News, Sydney.